Okay, second graders, today we are going to subtract. You might have to regroup double the times, but we worked on this yesterday on whiteboards. So I'm going to do the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with you, and then you're going to work on your own. You must show an adult before you can move on. We want to make sure you know how to do this. This is a skill you need for third grade. So let's get started. Always start in the ones. I'm remembering B, B, B. Bigger number on the bottom you must borrow. Well, there we go. 7's bigger than 4. So I'm going to go next door. The 6 becomes a 5. And then I give a 10 to the 4 and it becomes 14. Okay. The box is up there, so if you want to write 14 there, you can. I just like to put my 1 in front of it. It's the easier way for me. So I'm going to catch 7, count up to 14 to see what 14 minus 7 is. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. My answer is 7. Now I'm going to go to the tens. I'm going to look. B, B, B. Is the bigger number on the bottom? Nope. Bigger number's on top. No need to stop. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. My answer is 237. Your paper should look like mine. Should have the regrouping on there and not just the answer. Let's look at the next one. Hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, B, B, B. Bigger number on the bottom, you must borrow. Nope, 1 is smaller, it's on the bottom. More on the top, no need to stop. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Oh, let's look at the tens. B, 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 yep, bigger numbers on the bottom. If I had 4 cupcakes and 7 friends, I would not have enough to give away, so I need to go next door and borrow. So the 5 is going to become a 4. I'm going to put a 1 in front of 4 to make it 14. Oh, look, I did 14 minus 7 over here, so I know 14 minus 7 is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. My answer is 275. Let's look at the next one. Start in the ones. Yes, I can do 4 minus 2. The bigger number's on top. No need to stop. 4 minus 2 is 2. Oh, I did that over there too. Huh, crazy. Okay, now I'm looking in the tens. Hold up one finger. Can I put 5 down? Nope. Bigger number on the bottom. You must borrow. I'm going to go next door and get some more. 3 becomes the 2, and the 1 becomes an 11. Now 11 minus 5 is 6, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Go to the next one. All right, here we go. We're in the ones. Can I do 3 minus 9? Nope. The 3 B's, B, B, B. So I need to go next door and get 10 more. 5 is going to become a 4. And the 3 will be 13 because I'm giving it 10 more. Now I can do 13 minus 9. I'm going to catch 9, count up to 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. All right, this is no longer 5. It's a 4 minus 5. Can I do that? No, I cannot. I do not have enough. So I'm going to go to the hundreds and regroup. 6 becomes a 5. And the 4 becomes a 14 because I give them my 10 more hundreds, 10 more tens. So now 14 minus 5, if I count backwards, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. My answer is 9. And 5 minus 4 is 1. Oh wow, I had to double regroup on this one. Last one I'm going to do with you. Start in the ones. Bigger number on the bottom? Nope. Bigger number on top. No need to stop. 8 minus 2 is 6. Oh, but now I'm going to start in the tens. Bigger number on the bottom? Yep. I'm going to go next door and borrow. A 4 becomes a 3, and the 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 6 is 7, and 3 minus 1 is 2. All right. The Do You Understand says, do you need to regroup to subtract 759 minus 328? Why or why not? You may need to rewrite that so you can see. 759. I'm going to do my boxes. Minus 328. 8. Do I need to regroup or borrow? Why or why not? Explain on Seesaw. Go to the next side. Okay, you are going to subtract now on your own. You are going to finish numbers 3 and 4. 3, there's 3 problems on 3, and 4, 3 problems on 4. Number 5 is the algebra. Let's look at that real quick. 7 minus 4 equals blank. 6 minus 5 equals blank. And then you need to figure out the missing part. Okay, what plus 4 would equal 7, and what plus 5 equals 6? Go to the back. All right, number 6. Jeff has 517 baseball cards. That's an important number. And he has 263 football cards. Another important number. How many more baseball cards than football cards does he have? Remember, you always start a subtraction sentence with the biggest number. Okay, so my biggest number is 517. And I'm going to subtract 263. Make sure you write that on your paper, and then you can subtract. Write your answer here and here. Number 7, there were 342 adults at the movie. There were 526 children at the movie. How many more, when you see many more, you know you subtract children than adults were at the movie. Oh, I have to remember, you always start a subtraction sentence with the biggest number. So I'm going to start, even though it's not written first, with 526. And I'm going to subtract 342. Because if I subtract 342 first, it's not going to work. I won't have enough. And number 8, choose a number between 330 and 336. Subtract 180 from your number. Draw the place value models to show the difference. Those place value models are those green models that we use. Here's ones that are 100. These equal 10. And these are the ones. When you are done, check with an adult. Remember, you need to check with an adult to make sure that you understood this.